easy way to recover deleted files on USB drive. So here's the easy way that you can use to recover your files from your USB drive. So there are three methods. The first method is using your DBAC hard drive recovery. The second one is using your CMD, and the third one is using your file history feature in your Windows 10. Method 1 is recover deleted files from USB flash drive using your DBAC hard drive recovery on your Windows or Mac. It can scan deep and directly into your USB hard drive for the lost data. It works in the case of deleted files, damaged hard drive, accidental recycle bin deletion, or lost partition, raw drive computer crash, and many other scenarios. You can recover the data with 3 easy steps. Remember to connect your USB flash drive with a PC before you start it. Now the first step is go to iMyFone official website, and you need to download the free option, which will be on the bottom, and download the iMyFone DBAC for your Windows. You can choose it for your Windows or Mac, your PC decides it. You need to launch and then click on the USB flash drive. Step 2, it will start scanning. You can choose the pause or stop button, which will be on the top of your screen during the scanning process. After scanning, you will see all the files with their types on the left side of your screen. Now take a recovered image as an example. You can search for the image folder on the left side and then select the image. Like for example, I'll go and select this one. After that, you need to just simply go with recover, which will be in the bottom of your screen. Select the path or partition where you want to save the file and click on OK. After that, your file will be recovered. It's 100% secure and you can download it free. Now the second method is using your CMD, which is you need to connect your USB with your PC and remember the letter of the drive. Let's assume that USB flash drive is your computer's E drive. Then you need to launch your command prompt. For that, you need to search for CMD, right click on it, go with Run as Administrator, click on Yes, and you will get this kind of interface. Now here, you need to enter a command, which is chk dsk space e:/f. Pay attention to the last letter, which is E. That's the part of the command you can replace E with the name of the letter that your drive is. Once you hit the enter, wait for a few seconds, and then you need to again go with the next command, which is this one. You need to enter this. After entering this command, you need to hit enter, and then it will try to recover the lost files. And this method does not always work. You can try or you can use the DBAC hard drive recovery app to help you quickly. Now the method 3 is using your file history feature in your Windows 10. So please make sure that the USB is connected with the PC and then open it. So open up your file manager and then you just need to simply go with the file history option. You can go with the history, which will be in the top. Go with the drive at first and then go with history, which will be under your home section. And if you have any history or if you have any lost files right here, you can just simply click on it and then you'll be able to recover it from here. So these were the easy ways to recover deleted files on your USB drive. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.